So one of the main questions that a lot of people do ask is, can you basically convert your Bitcoin into cash? This question is also being asked in the CX.io official community channel, and I'm going to also be making a video explaining every single thing for you guys. I'm also going to be making announcement of the new listing that is being mentioned on the CX.io official channel, and you can get a whole lot of access to every single information I'm going to be dropping for you guys. If you're watching this video, please go ahead and check the official community and also get to see every single thing for yourself. And also we have our own community called the CX.io family, where you can basically follow up with other information. And aside that, our giveaways on the CX.io community is going to be done. So if you want to basically participate, our plan is to hit about 1,000 members, and then we can basically start the giveaway. So make sure to follow up right now, join the community, and get the whole information you basically need. All right, now this particular video is going to address you guys based on some certain questions that are going to be asked, and also this particular video is also going to be concerned about the new listing. So watch this video to the very last ending, drop your like, and I'm actually pick a lucky winner from the video and gift that person to the amount of USDT with your CX.io application.
So over to my mobile phone right here. Right now, this is basically my account. Let me go over straight to my Telegram channel, and at the top right here, you're going to notice right here that there's a question asked: can you convert Bitcoin to cash? This is just a simple process. You don't have to be scared. Whenever you're in any country, you basically don't know how to basically convert these, you don't have to be scared. You basically need either two exchange, or you can use the CX.io exchange. Now, you can convert your Bitcoin into USDT or into pounds, into Tether, and then you can basically send them to any bank and collect cash. Or you can basically do a physical P2P to anybody and you are good to go. So this question has already been asked on the CX.io official community channel. All right, and right over here, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to head over straight to my CX.io application. Now, right over here, you have the convert button. If you have any cryptocurrency in general, you want to basically convert that cryptocurrency, just click on the convert button right here. All right, at the top, you're going to be noticing where you can basically select the cryptocurrency you want to convert. So if you want to convert BTC, you type in BTC, and then right below, you're going to input the particular asset value you want to convert. So for instance, if you want to convert BTC to USDT, you have to type USDT right here. By clicking on it, you have an option to type in any cryptocurrency of your choice. So let's say you want to use USDT, then you can input the value you want and then convert it into USDT. Now, once you convert it into USDT, you have an option to basically send out and also receive. So you can send to any other exchange that do P2P, or you can basically send through your sending section via physical P2P with anybody who basically want to give you cash. Now, this is a very simple method you can basically use, and mind you, the CX.io application is built for you to basically make cash simple. All right, so you can basically get your funds secure and safe in a simple way with crypto. Now, if you want to use this CX.io application, the link is going to be provided for you guys in the description. You can get your hand on it and automatically start operating perfectly with the CX.io application. Then the next step you basically need to focus on is how you are basically going to be able to get access to the new listing information that are going to be listed on the CX.io application. Now, for instance, we have the official community channel right over here. If you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see right here, this is, so you can basically see the new listing right here is called Partai. Right, you can basically see this is basically being launched on the CX.io application, and you can see just landed on the CX.io application. This network is building the fundamental layer of cross-chain application, which is also going to be very interesting. And mind you, whenever CX.io application gets to launch or list any of these particular new token, the important thing I always share with you guys is to get your hands on it. Basically, you can use as low as $10-20 to purchase this and leave it for a shorter period of time or a longer period of time and see how well it's going to do. This is something that you can basically do your own research about. All right, mind you, I am not a financial advisor, and by no chance I will not be held responsible for anything, but this is a simple method you can use to grow capitals for yourself. You can basically start this method and generate a whole lot for yourself. Now, for you to get full access to it, you can connect with the future Web3 right from here. By clicking on this icon, you can get access to it. Also, if you have not been able to join our cx.io official family, this is the family right here where we basically post information, and also we basically get to share 1 or 2 details with each other. So if you want to basically follow up with every single information, try as much as possible to join. The link is going to be provided for you guys in the description of this video. All right, now as long as you're watching this video, you can easily subscribe to this channel and also stay tuned for more updates. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is going to bring a little value into whatsoever you understand in the crypto space. Stay tuned for more updates, and I wish you guys all the best. Peace out, guys.